keep the smile and the pleasantness in the presentation. Communication-wise and the way you are prepared your respective parts of the script of the presentation is really, really good. Okay. Now, my first query has something to do with your topic or title. Can you flash it? Okay. Now, this is actually depending on your answer, because I'm really 50-50 when reading your manuscript. For me, it's very okay that if Advent of cityhood will really play a vital role in your study, I will stick with Advent of cityhood. Ay maganda na natin siya. Pero if not, depending on your answer, I think it's the other half, 100%, 50%. So may I know, when you speak of that title or problem, what do you intend to know in terms of opportunities, development, and financial performance of microbusiness? Will it be after the 2022 or 2023 becoming city of Caracal? Ibig sabihin, microbusinesses already have experience in operating Calaca as a city, or this is futuristic? You still want to some sort find out future business opportunities, development, and financial performance of your subject?
We want to know po yung current situation po ng development and opportunities that microbusinesses are receiving. So we doesn't want to know the before or the future po ng future of their opportunities of develop that they will receive within the transition po.
If I'm going to rephrase your answer, correct me if I'm wrong with my interpretation. The intention of your study, you want to determine and know what are the business opportunities, development, and financial performance of micro-businesses located in Calaca when it becomes a city.
The Calaca po already become a city po way back 2020 po. And I think po the current situation po of micro businesses are they already experience po the transition po. So we want to study po the current situation po. How do we cope up, or how they do cope up po to that transition.
Okay. So in that case, I'm going to stick with having that term, Advent of cityhood. Okay, but I would like you to strengthen the discussion of really you have already discussions here, but I want you to add more discussions as to the advantages of a certain location becoming a city. So i-highlight talaga natin yun. And then, I would like to suggest, based on my application, that you have to make some of the discussions which is not focusing on your major variables such as opportunity, development, and financial performance. I don't know, this is only on my personal note as researcher. And if I'm talking about opportunities, development, and financial performance, there is no way that I would tackle about struggles, pain, or threats, and the likes, because you are actually to box or contain your discussion on opportunities, development, and financial performance of micro businesses. I have remembered yung kaibigan at Bajir na RL ninyo na napakit. Okay? Kung mapapansin po ninyo, you have to really exert effort on looking for RL na talagang ang ginagamit ay yung tinatawag natin city map. Ay pagka mga tao sa ginamit, I think it will be a some sort deviate or maybe out of order, out of place. You are going to still make use of that as your literature. Kasi ang isa sa bida ngayon lumalabas dito yung Advent of cityhood. So, hanggat maaari yung inyong mga literature, mga micro businesses or businesses in general, operating in the city. So, yun po yung mga concerns or suggestions. I will just go with one particular question na lang and then I will do that. Regarding your significance of the study, can you tell me, anyone of you, either Mr. Perez, Ms. Vidal, and Ms. Alina, kahit sino po sa inyo so far, what will be the significance of your study to professors and instructors as you mentioned?
The significance of this study for the professor and for the instructors is to provide that upon knowing the challenges and obstacles, mga opportunities of the transition from the findings, they could offer some knowledge, or they could come up for some ideas to help the student in the business field, or somewhat related to the transition. They could offer, or they could improve the knowledge or information that they could give to the student, and they could also to the student, and to also for the government po, or the local government.
Okay, so based on your answer, Ms. Vidal, actually you have really a very good guidance in terms of answering. But one of my recommendation here is to double check the specific relevance or the possible gain that each entities that you have in the significance of the study will really get from the study. But overall, guys, those are, I believe, in my part, minor concerns. All in all, you did well. So with that, I would like to end my part 5 as an congratulate the team.
Thank you po.
Ako, nagandahan din ako sa presentation ninyo ng mas okay kasi siya kaysa nasusunod na parang sa found a little or minimal, I consider it minimal findings sa format, sa so very good with the manuscript. So sundutin ko lang yung sinabi ng sir kanina na regarding dun sa significance of the study ninyo. One of the items listed there is municipality. Which or where are you referring to?
For the municipality po, this will include those other municipality that are willing, or they are planning to becoming a city. For becoming a city, this will help to give them insights on the opportunities of obstacles that micro businesses or other businesses would encounter.
Okay, so you're referring pala dito sa mga parang other municipalities that has plans or aiming to be future cities. Ganon. So medyo misleading lang siguro we can improve this by using other municipalities or what, kasi municipality, I thought you're referring to the old status of Calacaro, kaya nalagay ko dito city. So nakikilais lang. Tapos, let me go to the so many liquid scales na nilagay niyo dito. Will you be using all of them? Are you sure? Dami. Ito naman yung na-shot sa pinagpala sa liquid scale. So, ako masyado pa, it's too early to say na hindi nyo nga siya gagamitin. So, wala muna akong comment for now. Pero, just in case you found out na hindi nyo pala siya gagamitin, huwag sana siya mag-stay sa manuscript kung saan sa kanila. And then, siguro, hindi na natin kailangang i-discuss yung scale reach interval right after dapat kasi parang nawawala ng purpose yung table. Kasi lahat naman nung nababasa ko dito, nakikita ko dito. So parang hindi ko na nakikita yung need na i-iterate pa natin siya. Kasi yung lahat ng sinasabi nito, like moderately high, 3.1, 4.9, makikita ko siya dito. Ang siguro magiging comment ko na lang is, magiging uniform na lang kayo sa formatting. Hindi kasi siya magkakapareho ng size. Tapos, yung dash na ginagamit in the middle, merong small, merong long, so pasuyo, makikita siya, and spaces na rin. And finally, yung ating list of references, medyo iba-iba na naman siya. So baka ginamitan natin ito ng automatic reference generator. Makikisuyo, makicheck siya isa-isa kasi hindi siya lahat tama. Meron nga akong nakita dito puro capital letters eh. Ano ba mong puro capital letters sa reference list? So yun lang naman, more on minor, and I'm so excited kasi exploratory kasi yung idea ng research ninyo. So posibleng ang dami niyang maging bunga. So I'm really hoping na maging super honest kayo sa sa data gathering, even sa interpretation ng results. Kasi I'm really expecting na this would be parang a breakout research kung saan pwede siyang maging reference ng mga future researchers. So congratulations.
Morning and congratulations to the team. Okay, so you did very well on your oral presentation. Kasi I think from the start until then, you were able to sustain your level of confidence. And it seems like you are telling us the story of your paper that you are proposing. So you did very good. So we are also expecting the same, or even an improved version for the final results. Okay? So my little query is, given the fact that you have heard the positive commendation of the panel members, so likewise is mine, my question is, after having the results of this paper, what can we expect as an outcome? What do you intend to provide, aside from knowing all these areas of business opportunities, development, and financial performance?
We intend the result po to help the other municipalities po if ever po they will go into transition nga po from municipalities to cityhood po. Then in addition po
Okay, before we settle those up there, kasi this is a separate research. However, can you particularly, clearly and briefly explain to us why do you have to conduct the research?
We conduct this study because we want to help the micro businesses, especially for them to revise, or upon knowing the opportunities and challenges, we want to help them to revise or to improve their current transaction or current business by revising their goals, their plan, or to have their insight that could help their future plan. For this transition. And we also want, like Joshua said po, na we also want to give some insight for other municipalities that are planning, for them to be prepared, or for them to come up some possible solution of the possible obstacles or challenges that they may encounter during the transition.
Okay, let me clarify this. So that is based on your observation. are there any existing data that will really provide a concrete evidence that there is a need for improvement for this microenterprises? That there is a need for you to help them? Yun yung tinatawag natin ng problem.
Since microbusinesses is vulnerable for this sudden shift, so we are interested since most of the studies nga po is more on focus on small and large enterprises. They are not focusing on microbusinesses which is small and has a low capability to adapt to the transition.
Okay, you're getting there. Sinasabi mong latter part. But you have to provide an evidence, a literature. There is an existing study focusing on other enterprises. So you have to provide us the literature that will primarily focus on the micro enterprises. So yun yung hihingi natin. That is a major recommendation for your item. So going back for my first question. So after knowing all these things, can you provide us like what is your concrete plan in order for you to extend help to this micro enterprises? Will you be providing? Kasi usually ang magiging dulo nito, you will make recommendations. So do this, do that, and so on. So how will you materialize those recommendations?
I think po, by yun nga po, the recommendations po, I think by providing them the result of the study, parang where, if ever man po is, where we can provide flyers or we can have a seminar regarding the results po of the study.
Okay, so I'll help you. So this is a good paper and para it won't be wasted in quality. So I'm proposing to the panel that this it will be a basis for the program. Pero open-ended pa siya what particular area of the program we can propose. Mag-base siya doon sa results na may explore natin sa markets. Doon na papasok yung it is relevant to provision of seminar, program, so a series of something like that. A basis for a program. Yun yung magiging sa research program. It will add more difficulty but opportunity as well.
So just a clarification, will it be included in the title or just a recommendation?
Commonly sir, it establishes a target.
The column basis for extension.
There will be some extension of this. There will be changes in the conceptual framework. Greater reflect. Okay, so do you have any question with the panel?
I don't know the po.
So, well done. So, congratulations to you.
Thank you po.
Yes,